It is not wrong. If you guys are wondering, oh my gosh, my p-value is so crazy high, I must be doing something wrong, you're right on example 3. Do you guys remember how I told you that often when you're doing these tests, that if it goes right, the science is like, obviously accept it or obviously reject it, and this is one of those cases. I mean, if you're trying to prove to somebody, look, the mean time is at most 18 minutes. That means that 18 minutes is the max that you're going to wait. And then you do a sample and you find out that the average wait time's 15 minutes.
Yeah, because that's...
Things went well for that Department of Motor Vehicles, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's not even within one standard deviation of it.
Right.
Okay.
The whole bell curve is colored in, so how is that even a tail test if it's all colored?
Well, have you drawn your picture already?
If you were on
And
the
it's a right tail test, right?
AP test
Yeah.
and you saw this, would you do any work? If it was multiple choice, would you just write, like, I accept?
Well, they'd probably have, they wouldn't make it that easy. They'd write like 3 of them would be I accept and 2 of them would be I reject. And then it would be like, I accept because my p-value is, or because my p-value is, so you'd still have to do some math. But I'd immediately cross out the ones that say reject, yeah. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do example 3 with you because we're all doing Sapanics. And then I'm gonna give a prize for example 2. And then we're gonna count up those I'm a winner signs so that we don't freak out about it. Okay. Okay,
I think we're doing 3 right. Because we're very confident.
We accept the no.
okay. I am gonna talk about example 3, so let's take a look. Do you need some more time? Were you guys done with example 3?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so did you guys have the same thing I did? Mu is less than or equal to 18. Mu is greater than 18.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a right tail test. Everybody got that down?
Yeah. Oh, I
Great. Now, if you actually find out the test statistic ends up falling over here.
What's the test statistic?
This one right here. This negative 4.72.
Score or whatever?
The t-score in this one, but yes. So it would be a z-score if it was the other test, but this is a t-score. So the t-score is way over here, which means not only was it close enough, but it was like way proving it over here. I mean, we tested 12 different people, and their average was 15 minutes, which is not even within one standard deviation. Like, they're killing it at the DMV today, apparently. So this proves it, that over here, that we're going to accept this null and reject this claim. And if you're wondering, why does it, when I do a test, does it look like the whole darn thing is filled in? That's because to find this area, like suppose it ended up being, I don't know, like 2.8 or something like that, then if this was a z-score chart, you would look up the area to the right of 2.8, right? Because it's a right-tailed test. Does everybody understand that? But even though it's over here, you're still looking up the area to the right. And the area to the right of this line over here is pretty much this whole darn thing. Not completely, though. I guess it's not 100%. It's 0.9997.
So the white part is to the left, or the open part is to the left?
Yes, the open part's to the left. So I guess you could say that the white part is over here, but especially on your calculator, I mean, like, you can't even tell.
So,
So in this case, we're accepting the null, accepting the claim that the meet wait time is at most 18 minutes.
oh,
Yeah?
So since it's to the right, how come you don't do 1 minus?
You would do 1 minus, but the calculator is figuring it out for you, so that you don't have to do any math. The calculator does it for you. What I'm saying is that you can't look up this number on the chart, right? But if it was a z-score, and you looked up negative, what was it, negative 4.72, which would be off the chart, but let's say it was something on the chart, like negative 3.45, then you would take 1 minus to find the area to the right. Okay, I've got example 2 done, but I'm going to let somebody else do it for a prize. Let me just clarify so you know you're right. Everybody ready? This is the left-tailed test. For an example 2, the edge of the rejection region should have been negative 1.44. Your test statistic should have been negative 3.61, which means you reject the null and accept the claim. Decide if you want to come up here with your partner.
You also can't say test statistics.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2.
I think it's 1, 2.
You sure you don't want me to do it?
Maybe next time, if you could say test statistics.
We'll be good.
No, I need to make some unwanted signs, don't I?
He'll give me enough time to write all this. Do you want your coat?
No. Sit on it. No, it's fine.
Oh, okay.
I'm kidding. I'm
I was
kidding. I don't
like-
care. Zach. I'm just looking for a marker.
Okay. Well, I was like, well, if you don't, I'll just.
There it is.
The panic.
I was like, oh my god.
Sit on it. My phone is so precious.
Okay.
Okay, first, we have to deprive numbers from it, so we gotta come up with big words.
You can't see the board.
I sure.
Yeah, move over here. Just move the other way, other side. Just go to the other.
Stop, I sure am driving.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just start doing the stuff.
Okay, so you have to find the n, which is, oh no, you can start with the x bar if you want, which is 1,125.
We can do the end now.
Okay, the n is, where's my n? 7. And then the claim is 1,000. Yep, sorry, the s is 55, and then the claim is 1,200. Yep. And then if we look at the second line, right now, where is it? If you look in the paragraph, it says the mean is less than, or yeah, he hasn't written it down. I was trying to figure out the exact words, but that is
Almost
like,
back and stuff.
I'm going back in time. Okay, and now the claim. Okay, you have it written down.
I do.
Yep. Good job, Zach.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and now we grab our handy dandy calculators. I can just tell you the
Grab
answer.
one.
Got one? Oh.
Just one right. Zach has.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, let me bring it out here so you guys can all see.
Okay, and I'll hit stats.
All right, yeah.
Go to test. T-test.
You're not doing this with p-values, are you? You're supposed to do this one with projection regions?
Doesn't it also show us it there?
It does, as long
Yeah.
as you draw your picture first.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's- Okay, ready for
But yes, you
the.
take that number right off the test.
Oh man, okay, a lot of pressure right here.
Not bad, Zach, not
Okay.
bad at all.
Good job.
Oh, I had a.
All right.
Oh no, it's not. Oh, hold on. Oh, is there some whiteout? Hold
Yeah,
on.
there's right out right there.
Where?
Right there.
No.
Oh, here it
Underneath
is.
the 1,000 things I have here.
Do I just like? Oh, okay.
Zach
That's
found
kind
the
of
power.
Oh my, that's actually pretty nice. Okay.
Yeah, you were gonna say you still do
Quiet,
lines, though.
Triton. Quiet, Triton. You can't even see it. It's perfect.
Yes, you can, Zach.
Now we have to shade it on the left side. Yeah.
Perfect.
And that'll be 0.1. Right? Yeah. And now we input our data into our calculator.
Okay.
1,000. Yep. The next one's 1,000. 1,125. 55. 7.
Then this is.
That is. Yeah, little one. It's still shiny. And then we use the z-square on the bottom left. No, bottom.
Yep.
Yeah, that's bottom left. Yeah.
Yeah. So that
It's
is.
a t-square.
Oh, sorry, t-square.
T
My bad.
equals